Good morning, everyone. Jeff here to show you the SmartWhale Cleanslet-2 bidet toilet seat. I've had it for a few days now. Yeah, I really love it. It's absolutely wonderful. I waited years to finally get one, and I'm glad I finally did. I apologize for the ceiling fan. I need to have it on for the light to be on. But first of all, I wanted to show you the installation. You take the old toilet seat off. You install this thing called a guide plate with 2 screws and a rubber insert that's included. And they give you a template to line it up. The guide plate will fit right in here. You get the toilet all centered, front, back, side to side. Tighten it down about halfway. Check it by putting the toilet seat up and in. You just push it up and it clicks into place. And then there's a button on the side right here. You push this button and pull back, and that brings the bidet back out again. Then you can finish tightening the screws. You need a number 2 Phillips like this to tighten the screws up the rest of the way down. And I got it right the first shot, and you probably will too. The template makes it really easy, and then you just slide it and clicks into place. Connecting the water, I had a little trouble. The water tee they gave me is a 7/8 female with a 7/8 and a 3/4 male. Mine was all 3/4. I was on my way to the hardware store, and luckily I remembered that I had an old shower valve, and it's all 3/4. So I just used that. I mean, it's 6 miles into town here in Big Bear. 6 miles each way in the snow sometimes, and uphill. And this worked though, and saved me a trip to town. So if you get yours, and I emailed them about it, and they said they're going to fix it, include more water tees and adapters. So hopefully you won't have this problem. But if you do, you go to the hardware store, just know that a shower converter valve will work. It's all 3/4 female and 2 3/4 males. Connects the water to the tank, and then 1 to the bidet itself. The noise you heard was the remote falling down. There's side control knobs to operate it. You can turn the knob back to a regular rear wash. If you're a female, turn it to the front for front wash. Then for power wash and drying, you can just hit the button. There's also side buttons to control the water temperature and the seat temperature. And there's other functions you can do with the side buttons. But it's easier just to use the remote. With the remote control, you can turn on the cleaning function. Echo is for the seat temperature. You can just turn that on, and it goes to 28 Celsius or 82.4 Fahrenheit. There's a child wash preset. There's a night light you can turn on and off. Water temperature, 1 is low, medium, or high. Same with air temperature, low, medium, high. Seat temperature, I just use the echo function. Economy for 28 Celsius, that's been fine for me. Recommended mode, that just means factory presets. And then you got wash position, you know, how far the nozzle travels back and forth when it's cleaning you. I just keep mine on max. And the same with washing pressure, just hit max. The remote control, you can mount it. It has this little bracket. You can use the sticky pads on the back, or you can use the hardware supplied Also, when you're working on your bidet, you might want to spray the on-off valve before you turn it off. Spray some of this in there if you have some WD-40. Those valves tend to stick over time. That keep you from breaking it. Comes with a really nice manual. It's easy to read. All the functions of the remote control and the side buttons are on there. The seat is heated. You can adjust the temperature. It's also pressure sensitive. So you have to be sitting on it to actually use the functions. But it's really well made. I had a Delta Morgan slow close seat before, and this is almost as heavy duty as it was. And it's got the nice slow close feature. I think I can show a couple of functions. Nozzle cleaning. There's the nozzle that comes out, and this is the cleaning function. All the functions when you're washing and drying yourself are on the remote, and you choose, say, front washing, moving back and forth. It'll run for 90 seconds unless you hit that button in the middle. That's a stop button. So if you want to end it early, you can, and then you hit air dry and it'll run for 90 seconds, and you can adjust the temperature, of course. And I'm thinking of just mounting the remote on the wall like a control panel. But either way, you can use the side buttons, or you can use the side knob there, or the remote control. The night light, you can turn on and off with the remote. Just for fun, maybe I can activate this using my weight. Well, I can't do it with just my knee. Yeah, it won't work. You have to actually be sitting on it for the functions to start working. Anyway, though, it was about $258 total with the coupon. I figure I spend that much on a night out or an overnight getaway, so I've wanted one for years. I'm really happy with it, and I think you will be too. So once again, it's the SmartWhale bidet toilet seat. This is the model Cleanslet-2 heated bidet. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.